AI avatars, the secret weapon for your personal website. Tired of static websites that don't engage visitors? An AI avatar chatbot can transform your site into an interactive experience. Imagine a friendly face instantly greeting and assisting everyone who lands on your page, any time of day or night. Your personal website is your digital storefront. An AI avatar, customized to reflect your brand, adds a unique touch. It's like having a virtual you, always ready to share your story and expertise at a moment's notice. No more missed opportunities due to unanswered questions. An AI avatar can provide instant support, guide visitors to key information, answers questions 24/7 in any language, sign up to your newsletters, place orders directly through your website, book appointments, and even collect leads. In fact, the usage is endless. This ensures a smoother, more satisfying experience, keeping people on your site longer. Implementing an AI avatar is easier than you think on your personal website. Simple integration options, requiring no coding knowledge. The AI does the heavy lifting for you. The potential return on investment, in terms of engagement and lead generation, is huge. AI is the future, and an AI avatar on your website shows you're ahead of the curve. Embrace this technology to create a more dynamic, engaging, and ultimately successful online presence. Use the details on this video to know more and how easy it is to create an AI avatar chatbot on your personal website. Start building your AI-powered personal brand today.